Alright, so I've got the hiccups, and I considered not making a video because I've got the hiccups, but then I realized that I really want to make one, so I'm making one anyway. And I have my dog Bear. Yes, I realize that that's irrational, but yes, his name is Bear, and he's here to comfort me and help me get rid of my hiccups. Hopefully. There's really not much going on today except for my inherent hiccuping, which I can't seem to stop. It's terrible. I hate the hiccups, but there's nothing that you can do about them. They just keep coming. Oh. Word of the day, word of the day. Hiccups. Hiccup, to have a spasmodic affection of the stomach from repletion or other cause. Hiccup or hiccup. Noun. The English is a compound of hic and cough, and the hic may be allied to hitch, to catch. The word is generally pronounced hic-up. Since no documentary about hiccups would be complete without an excerpt from Calvin and Hobbes, I've invited a friend to help me reenact one. Ta-da! I have the...
What do you have? Do you have a dollar? Do you have a comic book? What?
I love doing this. Help me get rid of these darn hiccups.
How?
Scare me.
Okay. Our oceans are filling up with garbage. We're creating a hole in the ozone layer that's frying our planet, and nuclear waste is piling up with no safe way to get rid of it.
No, I mean, scare me.
That doesn't scare you? Boy, you're cynical.
What? What? I'm sorry. I didn't know that. How would I know that? This is the story of my life. If it's not one thing, it's something else.
Our oceans are piling up with waste. Our ozone... I messed up. We have to go again. Our oceans are filled with garbage. We're creating a hole in the ozone layer that's frying our planet, and our landfills are filling up with... Go again, it's hard.